Final project, IST 638, Knowledge and Management Concepts and Practices. Introduction. In 1997 the European Foundation for Quality Management, EFQM, in partnership with CIBIT and the American Productivity and Equality Center, APQ, undertook a benchmarking study project searching for good practice in the area of knowledge management. In the subsequent 5 years many more organizations have come to recognize the importance of knowledge management as a key enabler for their future success. Knowledge management. Definition. Knowledge management comprises a range of strategies and practices used in an organization to identify, create, represent, distribute, and enable adoption of insights and experiences. Many large companies and non-profit organizations have resources dedicated to internal knowledge management efforts, often as a part of their business strategy, information technology, or human resource management departments. Knowledge management is the process of capturing, distributing, and effectively using knowledge. Explicit, implicit and tacit knowledge. In the knowledge management literature, knowledge is most commonly categorized as either explicit or tacit. A much more nuanced and useful characterization is to describe knowledge as explicit, implicit, and tacit. Explicit, information or knowledge that is set out in tangible form. Implicit, information or knowledge that is not set out in tangible form but could be made explicit. Tacit, information or knowledge that one would have extreme difficulty operationally setting out in tangible form. Knowledge management essentials. Many programmers start by focusing on the thrust of better sharing of existing knowledge, for example, sharing best practices. Most programmers will leverage value through knowledge by concentrating on just a few of these 7 levers: customer knowledge, knowledge in processes, knowledge in products, knowledge in people, organizational memory, knowledge in relationships, knowledge assets. The knowledge map. The term knowledge management is multidimensional in that it consists in the physical realm of technology, the interpersonal realm with people, and the administrative realm of process and procedures. The following chart takes a high-level look into a knowledge management system and its relationships to ideas, principles, and interconnected elements. Knowledge management systems. KMS is a computerized system designed to support the creation, storage, and dissemination of information. KMS improved the organizational knowledge management with following: greater consistency and accuracy of information to customers, improved handling and response times, increased customer satisfaction, reduced contact volume, when implemented as a self-service tool, reduced training time and costs for new agents, more effective feedback from users on the quality and usefulness of the knowledge. Essential knowledge management methods and tools. This list of knowledge management methods and tools was compiled and agreed by the Asian Productivity Organization, APO, Knowledge Management Methods and Tools Expert Team in Singapore in August 2009. Non-IT methods and tools. 1. Brainstorming. 2. Learning and idea capture. 3. Peer assist. 4. Learning reviews. 5. After-action review. 6. Storytelling. 7. Collaborative physical workspace. 8. APO Knowledge Management Assessment Tool. 9. Knowledge Cafe. 10. Community of Practice. 11. Taxonomy, IT methods and tools. 12. Document libraries leading to a document management system. 13. Knowledge bases, WICAS, etc. 14. Blogs. 15. Social network services. 16. Voice and voice-over Internet Protocol, VoIP. 17. Advanced search tools. 18. Building knowledge clusters. 19. Expert locator. 20. Collaborative virtual workspaces. Roots of knowledge management. The field of knowledge management has drawn insights, ideas, theories, metaphors and approaches from diverse disciplines. The differences between data, information and knowledge. We frequently hear the words data, information and knowledge used as if they are the same thing. Knowledge is what we know. Think of this as the map of the world we build inside our brains. Data are the facts of the world. Information allows us to expand our knowledge beyond the range of our senses. The knowledge management cycle describes the way in which knowledge is captured, processed and distributed in an organization. Knowledge may be captured from sources that create it within the enterprise or from external sources. Knowledge management framework for success. Communication is simply the exchange of information between two or more parties. Communication is without doubt the most important aspect of project management. Technologies that support knowledge management. Benefits of knowledge management. In today's business world, knowledge is the single most important competitive advantage. Especially for the service and support organization, the benefits of knowledge management systems for organizations are clear. Increase relevant information access, facilitate collaboration and knowledge sharing, retain institutional knowledge, overcome organizational and geographical boundaries, shorten cycle time, improve decision-making, improve and accelerate learning, attract and retain motivated, loyal, and committed talent, have better knowledge transfer occur in the execution of projects. In general, be better able to create, capture, share, protect, disseminate, package and exploit knowledge, intellectual capital, and intangibles, resulting in lower cost of doing business, higher quality products, decisions and recommendations, increased productivity, more time analyzing vs. data collection. Reference. Conclusion. Knowledge management is one of the hottest topics today in both the industry world and information research world. In our daily life, we deal with huge amount of data and information. Data and information is not knowledge until we know how to dig the value out of it. This is the reason we need knowledge management. Organizations are realizing that intellectual capital or corporate knowledge is a valuable asset that can be managed as effectively as physical assets in order to improve performance. The focus of knowledge management is connecting people, processes and technology for the purpose of leveraging corporate knowledge. The database professionals of today are the knowledge managers of the future, and they will play an integral role in making these connections possible. According to the experts, the future of knowledge management lies in a better integration into the common business processes, a concentration on the human-organization interface and a better match of IT aspects to human factors, whereas IT aspects rank low on this agenda. Changes will partly come from information technology and artificial intelligence developments. However, more important changes are expected in people-centric practices to build, apply, and deploy knowledge and understanding for support of innovative and effective knowledge-intensive work. Much remains to be done. Next-generation knowledge management methods will still be crude,